In my last video, we went into the 3 different states of consciousness. But within that, there lies the different stages of consciousness, which is basically the contrast, or aka suffering, and then questioning, and of course awakening, and then integration. So I know that's 4, but the questioning and the suffering goes hand in hand. It's like, why me? Why is this happening? Is there more? And that's when the magic happens, when we begin to question reality itself. Oftentimes, this almost always leads one to awakening. And awakening is the mystical experience. And wherever you are on your journey back to source, as long as you have a pure intention, and only you can know that, then the divine will begin to manifest in your life in the most magical and miraculous way, via synchronicities, via psychic abilities, via so many other ways to do this. But basically, you start operating on a higher level than most people. I'm gonna do a whole deep dive video about this on my YouTube channel very soon, and so definitely subscribe there. The last state of consciousness is integration. Now this is really tricky because there's so many spiritual gurus who are very intellectual. They can explain it so clearly, and yet let's just say their emotional IQ is that of a teenager. And so this is where the real work begins. The shadow work, the inner work, where most of them have had that taste of heaven on earth experience. But yet their emotional body, their physical body is not ready to handle nor sustain that level of consciousness. We're here for character development. That's the point of spiritual awakening, is for our soul to evolve our not just mind, but emotions and reactions and how we are in the world. And that's the most important thing here, is who you become, not how high one can go. That's fine and dandy. Definitely do those things. Meditate, do whatever it is you're called to do. But always come back down to earth and integrate those light codes, right? All my love.